Congratulations! You've just signed up for Maintenance Assistant CMMS and are wondering what to do next. Maintenance Assistant is designed to be simple to use, but getting your data into any CMMS can be time-consuming and frustrating if you don't have a good strategy from the beginning. In this video, I'll outline the 7 steps for an efficient CMMS implementation. Step 1. Data gathering. During this stage, gather a list of all users, businesses, and assets, including equipment, buildings, and inventory. For assets, you may need to assemble preventive maintenance procedures. Step 2. Add users and businesses to the system. You can do this manually by adding one at a time, or you can import an entire list using the import tool. See the on-screen video tutorials for instructions. Step 3. Add your assets. When we do, we want to work from the top of the asset hierarchy down. If we add equipment first, where would we put it? We'd have to go back and update its location. Another way to think about it is to start with the big things and then go smaller. Add sites first, then buildings at those sites, departments in the buildings, equipment, child equipment, and so on in that order. Step 4. Add your scheduled maintenance. You now have your equipment in the system, so it's time to set up that preventive maintenance. You want the system to notify you when the work is due. Step 5. Train your personnel. Training increases user adoption and outlines best practices, so it is the most important investment when implementing any software. Properly trained personnel are more likely to accept the system and use it from the beginning. Step 6. Go live. Step 7. Review, renew, and refine. This is the most important step. It is an ongoing process to generate more useful information from the CMMS. For example, customize the application by creating asset subcategories so you can group similar equipment together. Create user groups to ensure your technicians only get the information they need. Or add files and documents to assets so your technicians have the information at their fingertips. And that's it. A simple 7-step process to get your CMMS up and running quickly.